Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show numbers on keyboard in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and see here. This is the keyboard. Only letters are showing here and numbers are not showing in the keyboard preview. Okay. If you would like to use number, what you have to do is you have to click on this icon, then only numbers will be showing and you can type number from here. But if you would like to get number in the keyboard itself, in the first view itself, if you would like to get numbers here over the letters, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to additional settings and here select keyboard and input method, and here select manage keyboards and click on Gboard, and here go to preferences and just turn on this button number row so that numbers will be added to the main keyboard. Go to the typing interface and see here above letters. You can see here now all numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. So in this way you can easily bring numbers on the keyboard itself in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.